Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this right here. It is by the brand Opow. I'm not sure how you say that. It's O-P-O-W. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is how it comes packaged. Let me go ahead and point the camera down and we'll kind of discuss everything that's in here. Okay, as you can see, it comes with these little gloves. They're very light, like very thin, just in case maybe you don't want to get something smudged up or something. So it does come with these. It comes with this right here, you can see. So they're all smaller little screwdrivers. And the good thing is it has this so you can spin it around easily instead of going like that. Just makes it a little easier for unscrewing things. So I'm just gonna put it this way. So it comes with that one. It comes with a smaller one. So this is a Star 1.0, a Star 0.8, 2.5, 2.0, 1.5, 1.0, and a 1.2, which are pretty much just like very tiny little flat heads. And then it comes with tweezers. Maybe there's something that you need to get that's in like a narrow spot. They're very pointy little tweezers. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back on and then slide it right back into here. And then it comes with this as well. It's actually plastic. This one's metal. And it's just got a flat head. Maybe if you need to get something dug out or something in a little area, I'm sure that would come in handy. It has this, a demagnetized magnet. So just to help you keep your bolts and stuff when you're maybe taking something apart or something. That's really good to have. And then it has a T7, T8, T6, T4, and a PH00, PH000, and a PH0, which are your just standard screwdrivers, as you can see right there. So this is good, like if for working on little things like maybe like glasses or something, because it does have the more smaller screwdrivers and flatheads and then your stars. So this is a really good kit to have in every household, because I don't know how many times I have a ton of regular screwdrivers, but I don't have anything this small. And there are sometimes, because I review so much stuff, that I actually need a smaller one to take off a little smaller bolt. So this will come in really handy. So it's a really good set, and I love that it does come in this carrying case. You just seal it up and it has a little handle right there, and then you're good to go. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.